Okay, welcome to Best Car Fixes. This car here, we got a factory reset, factory exclusive reset message here. Yeah, we found that message here, and what we did is, I believe, go to home, go to setting, right? No, hold on. Here is the home. And now scroll to setting, general setting or vehicle setting, general setting, and then go to system.
Scroll all the way down.
Okay. Factory reset.
And just continue, and that's it.
Okay. Continue here. They restore it. So that's why. Yeah, because I already look at it there, and not only a lot of people when they have like a accident or they have any service,
Exactly.
it's just like you did a service mode, any work on it, and then after it's finished,
Yep.
that's it. Thank you for
Goes to
watching. Please
factory mode.
subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, share, and like.